What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. So pretty excited to share with you guys the latest model, the latest money maker model with the FVG, right? So I've been sharing some trades, some hints, right? Some of you, I shared the model already in DMs, right? But now I'm finally gonna drop the video about it. So I want you to pay attention till the end, because it's a pretty important video. Okay, so before we actually move to the video, I want to as always share with you latest active promotions, right? So Apex, by the way, we have finally a Apex code, right? So Apex is going 80% off, right? So that 50k accounts are only 37 bucks, right? Bulenox is doing 91% off, right? So 16 bucks for the 50k account. And the best current Propfirm in the game, right, is going 40% off and no fees when you pass, right? So daily payouts. And now the best thing ever is they removed actually the trailing drawdown in the live account. So TPT is going to be the best. So let's go and talk about our model without further ado, right? So the moneymaker FVG setup, okay? So you want to be actually waiting if you are bullish, right? You want to be waiting for a high to get taken, right? So this is now our moneymaker zone, right? But what's important about this zone, right? So we want an FVG in this zone, okay? So we have an FVG here. It has to be the FVG that is responsible of taking this high, okay? I will show you examples, right? So this high needs to be taken, right? I don't care if we close or just wick, right? The FVG is the more important, okay? So we take this high, FVG that takes this high, make sure we are in discount, right? Discount of this leg, of course, right? So you wait for a one candle CASD, okay? So if you are bullish, you wait for a down candle, right, to be closed above, just the bodies. I don't care about the wicks, okay? Then you take the trade, you put your stop loss under the moneymaker zone or the leg that has the FVG, and you target either 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. I personally target 2-to-1, okay? Or if it is not clear here, you wait for a candle to close. Like here, we need a bullish candle to close above another bullish candle, okay? But we need to close above the wicks as well, right? On this case, right? So we need to close above this wick, okay? Or we wait here for a normal CASD with a sweep, okay? I will show you. So you will have this, and then a CASD here, and you take the trade and target your 2-to-1s, okay? These are all entries. The simplest one is the one candle CASD, followed by the close or an engulfment of any candle, right? And then if you are more like more advanced, you can take this entry, okay? So I think this is really easy, right? This is just like a form or a confirmation for the moneymaker, right? So I actually took a trade with it today, okay? Let's go and see, okay? So here we had a 15-minute fair value gap. Where is my square? So we had this 15-minute fair value gap, right? And we had SMT here, okay? This was actually the universal model, right? So I missed these shorts, right? Because I wasn't sure if price is really bearish, right? So I waited for some legs, okay? AKA, I waited for a moneymaker zone that has an FVG, okay? So this was the ultimate confirmation that we are actually getting bearish. If we got a bullish fair value gap or a bullish moneymaker zone with a fair value gap, I don't know, I would have taken longs, okay? So we had this zone, right? We take this low right here, and we had this FVG that was responsible of taking this low, okay? Now, two things. When price created this candle, I wanted a because it was not a clear candle, we cannot see if it's bullish or bearish, right? So it was an indecision candle, right? So I waited for a candle to close under the wick. So I waited for entry number 2, okay? But what happened is we actually swept this high, and then we gave, or price gave, a normal one candle CSD. So when we closed here, right, I took my first entry at this entry start, okay? So when we got the normal CSD, because this is a bearish candle, and then we closed under it, I took another entry. Why? Because we had all of our entry criteria, making it a high probability trade, okay? So we had number 1, the first one candle CSD right here. We closed under this body, right? And then we closed under this CSD with a sweep, and we actually closed under this bearish candle here. So we engulfed it, right? So if you look closely, so we closed under it, okay? We didn't just wick, okay? So took the trade. Where's my RR tool? Okay, so took the trade. I took this one here and this one here. So my average was here, and I targeted a 2R, right? So because we had the sweep and CSD, I trusted this high, okay? So my stop loss was here, right? And I targeted a 2R, okay? Which was really good, okay? All right, so when I decided to share with you the model, I saw that we created another actual setup, okay? So this one, right? So here we had a fair value gap that's closed under a low, responsible of closing, right? This one. Okay, so the high of this leg was not this candle, because this is not a swing high. The swing high was actually here, right? So this is where, if you take a trade, you place your stop loss, okay? Now, we had this bullish candle here, right? And we close under this body, right? So this is the one candle CSD, okay? You take your trade, place your stop above the swing high that have the FVG and target your 2R, and you can see that it was really it was a really fast trade, okay? So you can use it as a confirmation, right, for your trades, okay? But as always, when we take the draw on liquidity or an external low, you start, just like the money maker, you start being cautious, okay? But let's see, okay? So here we had this low, right? And this low, right? But unfortunately, price already changed the state of delivery here, right? So this is maybe a higher time frame trade. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. So we had this low. We take this low with this FVG here in M5, right? So this is the leg that has the FVG. So this is the stop loss if we had a setup, right? But you can see that none of these candles gave the entry model, right? So we didn't have a one candle CSD or nothing for that matter, right? But now we are going bullish, right? So this is now a fair value gap that took a high. So this one. And if we get the entry model, we take the trade and put the stop loss under the leg that has the FVG. Okay, but we need our entry models, right? So one candle CSD, a candle to close above another consecutive candle, or the sweep plus CSD model, right? All right, so I hope the model is clear for all of you guys, but if you have some questions, just shoot them in the comment section. I read all the comments and answer to all of them, okay? So see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Slama.